I'm in the process of getting new tires on this 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. It's quite a weight if I want to take the bike in and drop it off and have them pull the wheels, switch out the tires, and then put the wheels back on. Plus there's the added expense of the labor from the shop. So I'm going to try to get ahead of the line a little bit and take the wheels off of this and then just run them down to the bike shop myself. Removing the front tire is really simple. You have the axle here, you have a nut on this side, and on the other side you have a pinch bolt that squeezes the bottom of this fork tube together. We're going to leave this tight. We're going to get a screwdriver to help us get some leverage on this, and then we can loosen the nut on the other side of the axle. Now I loosened everything while the front wheel was still on the ground. That way it helps prevent it from spinning. But now that I've got everything loosened, before I pull that axle, I need to prop up the front end of this bike. When you pull the axle, just realize that there are some spacers in here that are going to want to fall out. So just pay attention to which one goes on which side and their orientation. And there we go. Removal of the front is super simple. You have your axle, you have this spacer, and you can even put them on the axle until you get ready to put your wheel back on. You have this spacer, and the nut. There you go. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.